With over 3 decades of experience in hydraulic product manufacturing and innovation, Helisul is a pioneer in delivering solutions across multiple industrial sectors: agriculture, livestock, automotive, educational, forestry, construction. Our long-standing expertise and technical know-how enable us to develop a comprehensive range of products that deliver complete solutions to our clients. We combine efficient production systems with modern management tools, a highly skilled workforce, cutting-edge technology, and advanced engineering and project development. These strengths allow us to offer reliable, safe solutions for the machinery and equipment of our clients. Helisul products are trusted by leading equipment brands, forming long-term partnerships and establishing a reputation for excellence in technology, quality, and service.